Hi, Amy Sheehan here with Lifestyle Properties at Keller Williams, and I wanted to introduce you to my newest listing at 12 Rockaway Road in Falmouth, very near Highland Lake and almost completely surrounded by the Morrill-Stillings Bird Sanctuary, which is managed by the Falmouth Conservation Trust. So come on in. Welcome. We walk into a beautiful open concept kitchen, dining area, living room, the nice big gas fireplace, coat closet, and down on this side of the home we have 3 bedrooms, one being the primary bedroom with a large primary bathroom with 2 vanities, a soaking tub, and a really nice shower. 2 bedrooms also down there with another full bath. And then on this end of the house towards the garage, we have another room on the left, which could be another bedroom or it could be an at-home office. And across from that, we have a half bath with the laundry also here, and then the stairs to the basement.